you must all be freaking out by the AI situation which is going all around. And we are in 2026, and now it has been around 3 to 4 years that we have been into this AI market. And the situation is getting worse and worse day by day because all the models, the ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and a lot of other open source models, they are getting so good at coding that we, like the CSS students or some other branch of CS, the students are kind of freaking out. And before starting video, I tell you, I am also a student right now, and I'm kind of freaked out, and I'm kind of a bit worried about what is going on in this market and what will happen. Okay, so in this video, I'll share a bit of my experience and my point of view, that what is happening in this market and what we should do as students to, maybe you can take it as a pinch of salt, or you can take it as advice so that it might help you somewhere. It's not something like I'm not so experienced, like 10-year 20-year experience guy that who's telling you. Not not even I am like those Akshay Sani or Saminder Puri. I'm not that kind of guy. I'm just a student who happens to be have some good experience in building some software. So I think so this video might help you. So let's get started. The first which we are going to say about the mess which is going on in the AI market. Like what I have seen in the past, like you can say 2 years. Okay, the situation is getting worse and worse every now and then because some model comes, layoffs happen. Some model comes, layoff happens. I don't know what is this correlation between models and layoffs, but more or less it feels like company have, or companies and all the startups have found a scapegoat that they can just point to AI and say that okay, AI is the reason we are going to fire people. Okay, and all in the name of like thin team, lean teams, something of that sort. But trust me, AI is far from doing any kind of software work. I'll just tell you, I recently was like working on some backend stuff, and I have given proper guidance to the AI assistant, and it just messed up. Like what kind of code it was writing, it's going over my head. Also, it's breaking so much, and writing fixes which don't even need it. Like it's writing just slop. And at that point, I thought, like, man, just stop, man. I'll write it myself. So that's the current situation of AI, and people are saying that this is gonna like replace software engineers. I don't think so. Like it's gonna happen. See, it's not gonna happen. But the thing is that management have this, or you can say the higher management in the companies have this notion that we should be removing more and more engineers so that we can increase the profit of the company and save some money also. But like in long run it's gonna backfire as hell, because you're not gonna take any engineers in. And what will happen, you know what will happen, no one is there, and no one knows what to do. No one knows how to write code, because all the juniors which you take in all were relying on AI. Senior people, they have not taught this juniors anything. And some people like me also have not even joined any company. So there's no one out there who is going to take the place of those senior engineers. So I think so the situation is just confusing for students. And what I can say, like I'm not getting that proper word for this. I think companies are kind of making fool of us. So the next point is about the hype. So in the first part, I have just given you like general thoughts which I think about the AI, and in this section, I'm going to put down thoughts specific to the topic, so I can be more clear about what I am thinking about each and every aspect of this situation. So, what about the hype? See, the hype is real, no doubt in that. Things do work. Like if you can guide AI, it works very well. If you can guide AI, it works very well. And if you cannot, then it gives you a so much sloppy code that you cannot even handle it. Let's say you said it like, I want to build a to do app. So it is going to do everything around the to do app, write sloppy code, write the code which is not even needed, write functions which is not even needed, and even write some code which is not even used anywhere. And yes, it works, no doubt in that. At the end, when you run it with your npm run dev or something, if you are using node, then it will run. But the moment you see the details, you will see that okay, there's no connection between backend and front end. Your front end is directly connected to the database, or you will see that your front end is using SQLite instead of Supabase or Postgres. Whoa, great. Now you cannot even see your database. Okay. Also, there are other situations like your backend is, like you can say, running unoptimized queries on database, or the code base which you have written for the backend, it's completely slop, it's not maintainable, and just looking at that code you will get headache. Okay, you can know that this is written by someone who has zero experience of code maintainability, and that's AI obviously. Okay, so the hype is real, no doubt in that. You can use any of the tool like your anti-gravity CLI or your open code, cloud code. You can use any of them. All of them works great. But the issue is they cannot do anything on their own. Even a bit of it, they cannot do it. So yeah, that's it for the hype. So what about the job market? See, I am myself a student and I don't know about what is going to happen in like next 1 year or 2 year, or what is happening right now. I can see that, but later on I cannot anticipate a lot like what might happen. But for the job market, I would say the situation is pretty bad right now. Like I have applied to few of the startups in recent time, and I got uh, response from only one of the startups, which is I think it's a New York based startup, but I didn't join them because their tech stack, I cannot be like very comfortable with that, because they were using Python, and yeah, I don't have very good experience with Python. So what? Okay, so for the job market, I would say the situation is tight for right now. Okay,